Welcome to Cengage Learning Videos, Formatting Data in Excel 2010. When you enter data into Excel, you may notice that the cells are all a standard width and height. If your data exceeds the cell width and height, it is not entirely visible unless you click in the cell and view the information in the formula bar. This is the case with some of the headings in this worksheet. There are two simple changes you can make to the layout of your worksheet to display information that is only partially visible. One option is to widen the column. Place your cursor between the column identifiers with the column that you want to widen on the left. The cursor becomes a double-headed arrow. When you see this, double-click. The column expands to fit the cell that contains the largest amount of information within that column. Another option is to wrap the text within a cell, which causes the cell to increase in height. Select cell B1 and then select the Wrap Text option in the Alignment group on the Home tab. Now, all of the text in the cell is visible. There are many basic formatting options available in Excel. The font and font size of the data can be altered, data can be made bold or italic, or the color can be changed. For example, select row 1 and then click the Bold button. Select the drop-down arrow on the Font Color button and then select a color from the palette. This formats all of the data in row 1 in such a way that it stands out from the other data in the worksheet. You can also adjust the alignment of the data. Select columns A through C, and then select the Center option in the Alignment group. This center aligns all of the data in all of the selected columns. You can also use formatting tools to change the way in which the values in a cell are represented. This is done using the Number Format option in the Number group. When you enter values in cells, they are usually in the general number format, meaning they have no specific format. While this might work for some values, there are others where this will not suffice, or where not having the information formatted correctly could lead to a great deal of confusion. For example, in this worksheet, some of the numeric information should be displayed with decimal places, and some should be displayed as currency. Select cell A2, which, according to the heading, should be displayed with decimal places. Click the down arrow next to General and then select Number from the list of options. The number is reformatted to be displayed with 2 decimal places. Select cells C2 and C3. According to the heading, these cells should be displayed as currency. 2 number formats can be used to display currency: the accounting format and the currency format. The accounting format is available as an option in the Number group. The currency format, on the other hand, is available in the drop-down list of the Number group. Let's compare them. Click the Accounting Number format in the Number group on the Home tab. When you apply this format, the dollar signs and the decimal points line up in the column. Now select only cell C3. Select the drop-down list from the Numbers group, and then select Currency. Notice the difference in the alignment of the dollar signs and the decimal points in cells C2 and C3. While some number formatting can be applied to existing data, sometimes the formatting must be applied before the data is entered into the cells to ensure that the values appear correctly formatted and retain the appropriate values. This is especially important when formatting numbers as percentages. For example, select cell B2, key 25, and press Tab. The value 25 is now in cell B2. Select cell B2 again and notice that the number format is still general. Click the % Style option in the Number group. The value in cell B2 changes from 25 to 2500%. This is probably not what you were expecting. Select cell B2 again if necessary and press the Delete key to clear the value in cell B2. Notice, however, that the cell is still formatted as percentage. Now key 25 again and press Tab. The value now appears as 25%, the desired value.